I see one too.
See him when they came up there by the county.
This one over here. Yeah, I see him right there. See him right there, maybe he's got his head up in the air. Oh, here. See him right here. Real well. Oh, he's eating. He's eating. He's eating bamboo. Oh, it's just like a picture of soup.
I see it.
You did?
He's eating bamboo.
Yeah, he's big. Uh-huh. No, we're not going to move that quickly. Wait just 1 minute. We're not going to just drop our Lots more. Lots. Go down. Go down. Yep. Inside, you can see two of them while you're eating. Is there a baby over here? They're not sweet. Look how cute these are eating together. Look at them. They'll eat you.
They always
Yeah, they're wild animals. I don't want you to buy them. I don't, they're pretty.
they don't really stop.
Huh?
They're just
Like in Naples, right?
And look at this one, he's just in a swing, he's asleep. He'll be all right if we wake him up, but you just don't want.
get inside there.
No. I thought Granddaddy was coming, he would see these and like see them.
Did she not look tired?
Honey, look.
They weren't together. I thought they were together.
Here's money to go at here's money to go at
It's just a colony for the zoo, that's all.
Oh my gosh.
We don't.
That's the third one.
I thought Granddaddy was coming in here. Let's just stand here and wait. He will be here eventually. Come back. What's he doing?
Well, I'm not trying to
He's just
cuddle.
sitting
Who's
there.
doing that?
Now, when we have to take him down. They're right here looking at us. These are two.
These pandas are so cute. This one's sleeping with the panda who went out to me.
I wonder how many animals.
Right. And we can see that's two sitting right there eating. Here's
Don't worry, I'll play
man.
later. I'll take more pictures. Go ahead and
Swing.
Well, that's both.
they're
No, I don't see it.
We're